Okay, dolls, so I wanted to make a video because things have been changing, a lot in my life, and I wanted to speak to my girls about it. October is always a very monumental month for me. It is the month of my birthday. I feel like every time October comes around, I have a lot of transformation to do. So as my friend calls it, I renew myself, or I become a different person every year around my birthday. So I tend to pretty much reevaluate my life. I take October as a month to reevaluate everything that I have going on, and basically you know, renew myself, or reborn or rebirth myself. So as many of you guys may or may not know, I am a Scorpio. I am born October 26th. So today is the 17th. So that's approximately 9 days away from my birthday. This is a very big birthday for me. I'm turning 25. I had planned to be in Cabo. I know I spoke about that in one of my previous videos. But this year I decided to do something really local and stay home and just really enjoy my time with my friends and family. So I'm super excited for that. So in honor of that, I wanted to come and do a unboxing of a couple of things that I did receive and a couple of things that I did purchase for my birthday. So without further ado, let's get right into it because I want to review all of the good things that I got. So to start off, I wanted to really talk about this look here. I did a really quick beat because I hadn't done a video, and I really didn't want this video to be more makeup focused. I wanted to be really just me focused because this time of the year is always about me. So I wanted it to be more so me focused, and I decided to give you a couple of things. So first, I wanted to do a review of my girl's brand, Luxe NYC. I've been meaning to do a review for this company for so long. Me and Deja have been friends since Sandbox. Like, we've been doing this. So I actually had the chance to be a part of the first launch, and I got to try 3 of the first lashes that she exclusively launched, but I wasn't able to make a video on it. So I promised her this time I would make a video. So this is her card. It says it's Foreign Luxe NYC. The quote is, "If it ain't foreign, then it's boring." So this time she launched a line called Motorsport. I don't remember what the last line was called, but this new line is called Motorsport. Currently right now with this look, I'm wearing the Porsche 911 lashes. They're very, 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 very sexy. I love them. They're like super natural, but they still give you like I'm a princess look. So I am enjoying this. So this is the packaging of it. I love it. It pretty much on the back, it gives you her Instagram, her email, and like a hashtag to hashtag yourself. And these are the lashes. These are the Bugatti lashes. They're so cute. So cute. These are also really, really natural. I'm thinking about giving these away in my giveaway. Don't think that I forgot you, Braddies, because I haven't. I am thinking about giving this away in my giveaway. I'm still thinking about it because I may decide to use these for my birthday and then get an initial pair to put in the giveaway. So no, I have not forgot about my Braddies, and I will be doing the giveaway. But this time the giveaway is going to be specifically for my birthday, so I can make sure I can give you all of the best things. So yes, Foreign Luxe NYC. I will be able to give you guys a oh my god. So inside of it, it says, in the actual box at the top, it says if it ain't foreign, it's boring. XO Day Glamorous. Hey Deja, just wanted to send my love. Currently right now I have on like I said, the Porsche 911 lashes, and I love them. Like, these are mink material, mink lashes, and they are amazing. So if it ain't foreign, then it's boring. Okay, next, what I'm really excited about is this bag right here. This bag right here holds my whole entire birthday in its hands. So I have never tried this brand before, ever. Literally, I was shopping around on Instagram for some bundles because I knew that I wanted to do blonde hair for my birthday. That's all I knew. I knew I wanted to do blonde hair for my birthday, but I didn't know where I was gonna get it, who had the best blonde hair, and I also needed to get it really fast because, like I said, my birthday is in 9 days. So, and at this point, what I was looking, I think my birthday was in about maybe 12. So I was like, oh my God, I need to find someone fast. Now, I was going to go with the typical DH Gate or AliExpress, but I wasn't really feeling that vibe. I really wanted something to be perfect because this is my 25th and I want this day to be perfect. And of course, I'm doing my hair myself because I always do. As you can see, this is a wig constructed by yours truly. I'm the only person that touches my head unless it's like one of my best friends that I know knows how to do hair. But other than that, I am the only person that does anything to this head. So anything you see on this head, I do it myself. So I really wanted to make sure that it was perfect. So I found this company on Instagram, and the name of the company is A1 Bundles. It is a New York based company and they do same day order, same day delivery. So I ordered 16, 18, a 16, an 18, a 20, and a 22 of 613 bundles. I did, because what I wanted to do was, I have a plan. I'm not going to tell you guys. I want you guys to be surprised. I'm going to do a whole video on my birthday hair. So I'm not going to give too much information in regard to it, but just know it's going to be popping. It's going to be popping. And then I also got a 613 14-inch frontal. So let's test the hair out, see how we like it. So it's very soft to the touch, what I like. It doesn't feel like it snags. It feels really buttery. Someone always says that to me. It feels really, really buttery. But yeah, it feels really good. Like there is no shedding. Wait, we got one little speck right there. But there's no shedding. No shedding whatsoever. It says that it is Malaysian hair. Malaysian blonde hair. So this should be fun. And I didn't want it too long because everyone was trying to make me get stripper hair. I'm not in a stripper mood for 25th. 25th is about being grown and sexy, and I just really wanted to be grown and sexy for my 25th. What does it come with? It comes in this white little bag, and they give you instructions. So they give you like little tips, and it says, A1 bundle tips. Co-wash, conditioner only your bundles prior to installation. We purchase our hair in bulk and sometimes the hair can sit for weeks. Co-washing also adds much needed moisture to your bundles. When installing, do not cut your weft/track. Cutting the weft will cause shedding. This is an investment and we hate for you to brush it all away. It is essential that you wash your hair at least every 2 weeks or you'll build up in products can cause tangling and shedding. And they also give you their return policy on the back. A1 Bundles is not responsible for any stylist trying to custom color or dye your virgin hair outside of A1 Bundles, because we understand that everyone is not a colorist or a specialist at coloring hair extensions. That's why we take care of the hassle for you with our custom coloring services. Yes, we can make an exchange within 5 days. The A1 Bundles hair must not be broken. The hair must not be unwrapped. Uncombed, not brushed, no fingers ran through the hair, worn or altered any way for exchange. If the hair is altered, we will return the hair back to you. Absolutely no refunds granted. Okay, you don't take refunds. We got it. We got it. You don't take refunds. Okay, so this is from A1 Bundles, and it comes with like a little receipt. Isn't it cute? And like literally, I text him in the morning because like I told you, they have same text delivery. I'm sorry, I'm not sure where it cut off, but like I said, I told him one address first and then switched the address because I didn't know where I would be at the time and I needed cash. So also with A1 Bundles, it's cash only. He only accepts cash. So, and for all of those bundles, I got 6 bundles and a sorry, ooh, that is a lie. So sorry. I got 4 bundles and a frontal for $350, which I think is really good. I got 16, 18, 20, and 22. My average for spending for my hair was about $400, and I wanted to make sure I could get the most out of it. And the reason being is because with regular color 1B virgin hair, you can spend like maybe $200 and still get you some really good bundles. Like my best friend, she orders off of DHgate all of the time, and she gets amazing bundles for amazing prices, 3 bundles in a front too. So you can really find great hair, but it is hard to find great blonde hair, and I have to say that it is, because sometimes you get baby doll hair and it's like you think that you're playing with freaking Barbie and you was just trying to look good for a day. So that was that. So then let's check out the frontal. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, not for the night. 767, man, that shit got double bedroom, man. This is a 13x4 frontal. This is what it looks like in the back. So it's a 13x4 frontal. I really don't like the way this is kind of thing, but I guess it's kind of like pre-plucked for you, so I could just kind of go in and like make my own baby hair. But yeah, like the hair feels really silky. It's not snagging. Oh, nope. It is snagging just a tad. You guys can see that in the camera. I know you can. It's snagging just a tad, but yeah, the frontal is shedding. It is shedding. But the bundles, as I ran my fingers through it, didn't. But the frontal is shedding, which is expected with blonde hair. I have to say it is shedding. I'm super, super excited about it. I'm turning 25. This is a huge year for me. It's a quarter of a century. So I'm super, super, super excited. I know 25 is like a big year. I feel like I'm in a great place at 25. I'm doing what I need to be doing. I'm going where I need to be going. I'm seeing who I need to be seeing. Like, I think 24 has treated me great. I am enjoying 24. My mom told me when I turned 24 last year that 24 was going to be the best year of my life. And for lack of better words, it really has. It has been the best year of my life. Like, I've learned so much in the age of 24, just in regards to situations, things like just the way I want to be treated, how I feel I should be treated, and what I want in life. Like that, I feel like that's what 24 taught me. Going from 19 to 20 to 21, 22, 23 is one, those are that's at that point 4 different transitions. 19 is very different from 20. 20 is very different from 21, and 21 is very different from 23. I feel like at 19 I was doing a lot. I had my first apartment, like I was getting things done. And you know, 22, I also got my second apartment. I was still getting things done, but I feel like 24 was the year that I really found myself. I really decided where I was gonna go, what I was gonna do, who I was gonna be, and who I was gonna see. And I really, really enjoyed 24. Like, I really, really enjoyed 24. So I have to say that. Okay, we're ready. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure, if you like videos like this with me just kind of being interactive with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you liked about this video. Leave me a comment letting me know how you felt about it. Stay tuned for my giveaway because it's going to be massive. I tried to include it in my last video. It didn't work out so well, so I really, really want you guys to stay tuned. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Love you guys.